Do it.
Here, get on the other side.
Here we are.
Yeah, there you go.
This is the race.
Mine's tipping over.
One.
Can we push them out?
Okay. One.
Mine's tipping over though.
2,
3.
No.
Here they are. Our boats are off. And I think I'm in the lead. Keston. That wasn't cool.
I can't do anything. Mine's just laying flat.
Could have gotten Povea's stick and drug it back.
What? Mom, everybody's died.
That's why this is a trial run, guys.
Everybody's died.
So this tells me that we need wider bases for our the ballast.
Everybody's just fell over.
Right? So if you think about a wide board, it can't flip over.
I had a one.
Yeah.
Hey guys, can you see this
I should have used the styrofoam.
thing?
What?
Please.
That's why I called it a trial run.
Come on, guys.
Dude, our race just started.
Yeah, but
We are here for hours.
what?
What?
Mommy,
They fell over.
They
All of them fell over.
Mommy, can I put these in your backpack?
Yeah, do it. As long as you don't push me into the water, we're good.
Guys, I want to show you these fish. It's really cool. Like, I bet you can pick one in your hand.
Dude, yeah, you're not watching the race because you're not winning, but I'm winning.
Good.
I'm in the lead.
Good job.
You are?
Look at me out there.
Congratulations.
Woo! Number 4. Go number 4.
Go number 5.
Go number one.
Yaya's gonna knock me
Mine
into.
is like all the way in the back.
Yours.
Povea's gonna knock me in the river.
I cannot.
Here we are at the Falls of the Ohio.
Hold on, Mommy.
Here, let's see if we can see our. Oh, there's our city. Look, it's Louisville City.
Oh, there's a girl in my class that has that she said that during the when we were going to,
Maybe she doesn't get out to the city though.
It was cute.
and that's her real personality.
Guys, look, I found something.
Island has found something.
I have.
Oh my God!
Look, there's an airplane. Little
Talking
button.
all that swimming.
I
But it's all right.
Okay, it's almost. Oh, it's warm.
There, it's okay. Let's see what Island found. While my boat's in the lead and he's losing the race. How does it feel to be losing the sailboat race, Island?
Look. It's a snail.
Did she find a snail?
Yeah, it's a
Point at it again for the video.
I
Oh,
saw,
look, I see your face.
I saw some snow. Look, it's right there.
Where?
Right here. Look, it moved.
What?
It moved. Guys?
Island found a snail.
Did you get a picture before they all
I didn't
capsized?
mean to.
I did. Oh, not a still picture. This is a video recording.
Oh. That sucks.
Mine went down first. It wasn't fair.
It sucks for you all because I'm winning. All right, that's enough gloating for today. Signing off.